All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Wish Wednesday. All right, so you wish for songs, I bring them up for you. And this time we have you till Nigel. You wished for Neffex Victorious. All right, so Neffex will always be a staple here on Growing Guitar. We will always have tutorials here. And yeah, great artists, great songs. Let's take a look. This is first and foremost for you, till Nigel, and all you Neffex fans. Let's take a look at this Victorious, and we don't need any capo for this one. We're gonna work with 3 chords and look at this melody that goes around there. So let's take a look at the chords first, and of course the melody builds upon this chord. So we're gonna start with the G sharp minor. All right, that's a bar chord. You play the bar on the fourth fret. Fourth fret, and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. The next chord is the F sharp, so you go to this position, you just move your index bar finger to the 2nd fret and bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. And the final chord is E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So we can just learn the basics first, and that is the strumming pattern. So if we go back to the G sharp minor, one string around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Like this. All right, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. It goes. Right? So I played 4 rounds, and that is what you're gonna do as well. So 4 rounds on the G sharp minor, 2 rounds on the F sharp, and 2 rounds on E. And that goes through entire song. So G4, F2, E2, like this. Another round. Right, so there you have the basics. Now let's take a look at the melody, and this could be a little bit tricky, a little bit stretchy sometimes, but we'll have that with us as well. And then probably, or perhaps you could mix it up sometimes, compare or combine is the right word, the strumming with the melody. So let's take a look at the notes, starting here at the G sharp position. What I recommend is you to hold this bar there over the 4th fret, and then add the 6th fret on D string. So just the 6th fret on D string. It goes like this. And then all right. So you're gonna start with playing 4th on E string together with 6D. Then 4th on G, which you have barred, then back to 6 on D, then you stretch out to reach the 7th fret B string. I do that with my little pinky. And then you play 4th on E, 6 on D, 4 on G, and 4 on B. So when you reach out to get the 7th B string there with a little pinky, then you need to release it right after. So you don't keep it there, because you want to have the 4th B just behind it, pretty right after. So it goes slow like this. Okay, and then you just alternate 2 notes there, the 4th fret on E string and 4th fret on G string. You do that for 8 times. So that is 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the G sharp. That is the half melody right there. So slowly. right? Then we'll go over to the F sharp based thing here. This is the tricky part here. It goes like this. Okay, so that will be 2nd fret on E string together with 1st G, then open B, back to 1st G, 2nd E, down there, the high E, then back to 1st G, open B, and then need to reach out to 4th B. This is the tricky part here, to go out there. So that is the first part. So it goes. So. So 2nd fret E string with 1st G, open B, 1st G, 2nd E, 2nd E in the bass as well, then 1st G, open B, and 4th B. And then you play the alternating 2nd E in the bass with open B for 4 times. 1 time is these 2 notes, a pair of notes, 4 times. And then you just play another 8 times on the open E string and open B, and alternate that for 8 times. And that will be the E part. And that's the melody. So from the F sharp it was like this slowly. And then E. So there you have the melody. I'm going to take you through this from the beginning, from the G sharp, and I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit so you really understand how everything fits together. Let's go. So there you have the melody. Now you have all the tools you need to handle the song. You have the melody, you have the string pattern, and now you can combine it. I haven't practiced it at all, so I'm not sure. I maybe could do this a little bit, just freestyle play. Yeah, I can try. It will be pretty crappy, I believe, but anyway, with practice comes perfection. So we're gonna have some time, but I can do freestyle play here, see if I can get some notes, combine that with strumming. So let's go. Yeah, pretty much what I thought. Sounded very bad, but anyway, that is as close as I can come at this point. With some practice, half an hour or so maybe, perhaps 15 minutes, you get the melody right, the strumming right, and you just feel it, then you can combine it and do Neffex victorious. Hope you understand what I meant with all this. Till Nigel, all you Neffex fans. Yeah, try it out, see if it works for you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave comments for future Wednesdays when I bring up your songs. And until next time, guys, play tuned.